Hi everyone. Today Tuesday. Yesterday start Holy Week from Monday, and today so many people care cross. What Shaira today name of Filipina?
Holy Week, Pabasa.
Pabasa. She said it is Pabasa.
Holy Week.
Yes, and so heavy traffic today. We now in the center of Angeles and the roof of Pure Gold. Pure Gold, Angeles city. Georgi want to buy. Georgi, what you want to buy?
Table.
Table.
Yes.
Yes, Happy Go shopping center, yeah. We been before when shopping center start work. This is entrance to shopping center. Allowed. No card. Okay, so allowed to take video. Second floor, Shaira. What, Shaira? Good slippers for you? Okay, you buy if you want, no problem. Shaira found already to her size because it's not easy to find for her. It's her size already. Shaira so happy because before always not her size, little bit bigger, but it's her size. How much?
90 pesos?
90. You can buy two pieces, the different color, Shaira. But
90 pesos, no?
yes, but I don't know about this quality. What
No,
you think?
you can put what is this?
Ah, okay. You choose two pieces, different colors, okay. Oh, here tables for Georgi. Georgi, table for you. Don't have? For computer. This good, Georgi, this one. Your size.
Small.
That joke only. Of course, small, it's for children. Foldable plastic.
Nilala ko yan.
So good table, Georgi. So we're going to Kashir. 1 hour we bought the table. Tired, Shaira?
I'm tired to find 40.
I think buy expensive car is more faster than this table. What you think?
I don't know. If I like this, it's faster, but
Not easy to find for Georgi. So you want to, so you buy cheap and you want to stitch also?
just stitch so that it's be better. Like remove faster.
Good idea. Because you cannot find your size.
Yes, it's not easy to find. That's why I want to buy cheap.
Okay. Georgi also bought slippers here. These slippers Georgi bought. This one. go to parking. Yes, parking. This is San Nicolas Market. We're going to parking. Pure Gold in Varuf parking. It's time now 6 p.m.
But need to buy
What need to buy?
inside little bit.
No, first we can eat, okay? Georgi already so fast, so fast run. You happy, Georgi?
I don't know yet.
Okay, we already put in the car and going to eat. Where you go to eat? Shaira, where?
Better.
Okay, let's go. Sunset in Angeles City. Parfum 150. Someone lost key.
Maybe I can give her.
Oh, gift, no. Hi. River. What name of river, Shaira? Don't know. Here second-hand mobile phones can buy. You can sell your phone, and if you want to buy second-hand, also a sale also. Hi. Hi. Oh, so many different phones, all second-hand. So old phone, Georgi, you can sell here in this shop. This way. Oh, he already knew asphalt. It's good. Okay, let's go. Entrance to Nepa Mall. McDonald's. Georgi want to... Georgi? Ah, what he want? He know. Shaira already buy McDonald's. And Georgi also.
Same.
Yes, the same. McDonald's не помолен. So many people in this McDonald's. Ah, this is apple juice. It's new. Before it's tea.
No, it's before pineapple juice. Right now they change with apple juice.
Apple juice now. Okay. I don't know, open or close. Don't have people inside.
We can find another coffee shop.
I don't know.
Hola! Drink, sir. Coffee.
Ah, this is coffee. Georgi with coffee here. Good place in the center of Angeles. Wines also. Cafe? Espresso, Georgi, 85 peso.
Espresso.
Ага. Cappuccino 125. Another coffee. Coffee shop. Georgi wants Starbucks. Oh, interesting style. Gustav кафе. It's good looking. Kapampangan Foods. Good place here. So many restaurants and coffee shops. It's not dog. Only Shira not bored. Play.
You found light and me that I could find.
2 hours already maybe in the traffic.
2 hours.
2 hours, yes? Okay.
Dalam level ke khatam Tapi dia berpapas Indonesia Dalam tadi
Good evening, guys. We just arrived here in our home, and almost 2 hours we wait for the traffic from Angeles to our place because it's already Holy Week here. It's Pabasa in Kapampangan or in Tagalog, and this holiday is people not celebrating. It's a tradition here in the Philippines that they need to take some cross here. That's why even morning until evening, it's so traffic here. This is a tradition for cross. Take some cross. Crucifixing. Crucifixing. Yes. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.